So tomorrow our snow arrives 1 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It'll transition over to an icy mix after that as we head toward the evening. Could see some snow rates up to an inch per hour. Good news is, unlike the system in January that we had, which was very similar in terms of snow and ice, there isn't a lot of cold following this one. So it'll be much warmer on Wednesday, easier to clean up. So there's our storm tonight, gathering in the middle of the country. We'll be high and dry this evening. Some clear skies early on. We'll see increasing clouds later. We've got enough cold nearby to really set the stage for that snow at the onset. But you look off to the south and west, and there's not a lot of deep cold there. That's going to help in the cleanup phase of this storm. But tonight, with those mainly clear skies to start, we'll dip back into the teens, about 20 in downtown Boston. Very chilly day tomorrow with the clouds rolling in, and highs staying in the 20s across the interior, low 30s for coastal and southeastern Massachusetts. So our snow rolls in between 1 and 3, toward 1 in central Mass, closer to 3 as we head up toward the Newburyport area and up towards, say, Hampton as well as Seabrook, Seacoast region. We'll see our heaviest snowfall mid-afternoon to mid-evening. So we've got about 4 hours where it comes down at a really good clip. The travel will be poor, the visibility will be poor. But as we head towards 7, we're seeing that change over to sleet across much of the region. We'll see those sleet pellets all the way down to Cape Cod and the islands, and it will come down at a heavy clip for a while during the evening. It's not snow, but it's still not very easy to travel on. Then as we head into the overnight, we'll change over to rain in eastern Massachusetts with lingering freezing drizzle in central Mass and toward the Monadnock region. So it's a kitchen sink storm. Doesn't have coastal flooding, doesn't have damaging winds. It's all about travel tomorrow afternoon and the evening. The worst of it roughly about 4 in the afternoon to 10 o'clock at night. But those conditions will start to go downhill as early as 2 in the Boston area, and a little bit earlier toward Worcester. In terms of our snow amounts, 3 to 6 inches. Boston, north and west, close to 3 or 4 in downtown Boston, 1 to 3 towards southeastern Mass and the Cape, and 6 to 9 possible around the Concord area and points farther to the north. If you want pure snow, you're going to have to go way up toward northern New England, northern Vermont and New Hampshire. Otherwise, many seeing that transition to sleet and then freezing rain at the end here. Worcester area northward will change over to regular rain with temperatures above freezing for eastern Massachusetts overnight and into early on Wednesday. So still some lingering effects on Wednesday morning for the drive. Here's the good news. So we head into the day, highs above freezing, even some low 40s for much of the area. So you won't see that glacier, that rock that formed after the last storm like this where it was so cold. This is going to be a lot easier to handle. And as we head toward Thursday, we'll see a continuation of those slightly warmer than average temperatures. Readings will get up around 40 degrees again with bright skies. On Friday, we've got some rain showers, and we approach 50 in the afternoon. It'll be well up into the 40s. And so the bottom line is there won't be much of any of this left by the end of this week. Well, here's your full 7 days. We head into the weekend. Chance for some early morning rain on Saturday. Looks like a dry Sunday before our next possible storm on Monday. That, too, looks like a sloppy mess on President's Day. David and Lisa, back to you.
All right, Eric, thank you.